Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you basically were going through Runna but you suddenly forgot your own password. Well, in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually reset your Runna password or basically your email or the whole account basically. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first we're gonna go ahead to Play Store, tap on search bar, go here, look for Runna, we're gonna go and actually get our app. Go here and tap on install so we can actually basically install the app. Then all the way tap on open. So we're gonna open the app here. We're gonna wait until it fully opens so we can actually see the login screen. Go all the way and tap on login, tap your password, then hit forgot my password or having trouble signing in. So after entering the full email address you used to register, Runna will send you a password directly to reset your email to that address. All you're gonna do now is open your Gmail or Outlook, I'm talking here about your email app, then look for an email from Runna. Then check your spam folder. If you don't see it within a few minutes, basically as I told you, go all the way and check the spam and all of them folders. You can then create a new password by clicking in the link in the email, create a new password, then return to the app and log in with your new password. And that's it, you are fully back in. But you are still if you are still going through some problems, having some issues, we're gonna go back all the way through the app here, long press it, then tap on info, go all the way down, hit storage, then clear the data or clear the cache depending on your situation. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.